First time in the Philippines? Everything you need to know before you arrive. If this is your first time coming to the Philippines, then this video is definitely for you. Maybe you're planning your first trip and you're wondering, what do I need when I arrive? What SIM card should I get? How do I get from Manila Airport to Angeles City? What apps should I download? Don't worry, I'm going to make it simple for you. Number 1. Get your Philippine SIM card. First of all, you need mobile internet. And here's something very convenient. You don't even have to wait until you arrive in the Philippines to get your SIM card. You can go to the official websites of Philippine telecom companies like Globe or Smart and purchase an eSIM while you're still in your home country. Some eSIM options can be very affordable, starting at around 100 pesos, depending on the current offer. Then, when you arrive in the Philippines, simply connect to the free Wi-Fi at the airport, complete the SIM registration, and you're ready to go. You can also top up your account online using a Visa or MasterCard. It's actually very easy. But if you're not comfortable doing everything online, don't worry. When you arrive at the airport, you will normally find Smart or Globe booths where you can buy a SIM card and get help setting everything up. And if you're mainly interested in internet data, I recommend looking at the Magic Data options. The big advantage is that the data doesn't expire, so you use it whenever you need it, instead of worrying about losing your remaining gigabytes. Number 2. How to get from Manila Airport to Angeles City. Now let's say you're flying into Manila, and your destination is Angeles City. One of the most convenient and affordable options is to take a Genesis P2P bus from the airport. These buses operate regularly throughout the day, although the schedule changes and there are no normal overnight departures. The bus can take you to SM City Clark, which is a very convenient location. It won't take you directly to your hotel, but that's not a problem. The fare is usually around 400 pesos, depending on the current route and schedule, so it's a very affordable way to get from Manila Airport toward Angeles City. And here's my next recommendation. Download Grab before you arrive. Number 3. Grab. Grab is one of the most useful apps you can have in the Philippines. You can register in advance and connect your Visa or MasterCard to the app. Then, once you arrive at SM City Clark, you simply open Grab and order a card directly to your hotel. And honestly, this is one of the best things about Grab. You know the price before you get in. No negotiating, no guessing, no worrying about being overcharged. You can also use Grab to order food directly to your hotel or apartment, which is incredibly convenient. Of course, there are also taxis and tricycles available around SM City Clark, but sometimes Grab is simply easier and more predictable. Where should you stay? Now let's talk about hotels. You can book your hotel in advance through any of the major hotel booking websites and choose something that fits your budget. If you want to stay close to Walking Street and the main entertainment area, there are plenty of hotels and apartments to choose from. There are budget options, mid-range hotels, and much more luxurious places. One of the well-known upscale options is ABC Hotel, but there are many other choices as well. Personally, for your first trip, I recommend booking a hotel first. Why? Because once you arrive, explore the area, walk around, see what you like, and understand the different neighborhoods, you can always choose an apartment or a different hotel for your next stay. Don't book a long-term place before you know the area. Come first, explore, see what you like, and then decide. Number 4. GCash. And now, another app that I strongly recommend. GCash. GCash is one of the major digital payment services in the Philippines. You can download it on Android or iPhone. Having a digital payment option can be extremely convenient, especially when you don't want to carry a lot of cash with you. You can use GCash for many everyday purchases, including places like 7-Eleven, SM malls, restaurants, shops, and many other businesses. Just keep in mind that some services may require verification or a Philippine account, so check the current requirements before your trip. But if you can set it up, it can make your life here much easier. So, what do you actually need? Let's make it very simple. If you're coming to the Philippines for the first time, especially if you're going to Angeles City, there are 3 apps and services I would put at the top of your list. Number 1, a Philippine SIM or eSIM. You need mobile internet. Number 2, Grab. Use it for transportation and food delivery. Number 3, GCash. Use it for convenient digital payments where available. Of course, you can still exchange money, carry cash, and use your bank card. But having these options available can make your first days in the Philippines so much easier and less stressful. And believe me, when you're arriving in a new country for the first time, having your phone, internet, transportation, and payments already organized is a huge advantage. And now I want to hear from you. If you've already been to the Philippines many times, tell me in the comments, what other apps or tips would you recommend to someone visiting the Philippines for the first time? Maybe there's an app I forgot. Maybe you know a better way to get from Manila to Angeles City. Or maybe you have a tip that could save a first-time visitor time, money, or a lot of stress. Share it in the comments. And if you're planning your first trip to the Philippines, I hope this video helps you feel a little more prepared. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the Philippines and enjoy your adventure. See you in the next video.